Hello everyone, I said Parth Kulkarni. Today I'm going to show you how to host EC2 instance on Amazon Web Services, which is AWS. So firstly, you must have an account on the AWS. So for that, go to the AWS website. This is the official website for AWS, which is Amazon Web Services official website. On this, you can create your account. So there are some basic steps which you have to follow to create account. You have to just type in your name, mail address, phone number, and some basic card details. So that's it. Your account is settled. So after that, uh, after signing in, this window will open in on your machine. And so this is my account ID. This is the dashboard of my account. So for this, you can just go on to the services and search for EC2, or as you can see, this one is here EC2. So you can click on EC2. So this is the dashboard of EC2 instance. Now I have to launch it. I have to create an instance. So I click on launch instance. Okay. Now this window will open, which is basically the setup for you have to launch an EC2. So firstly, you have to give name to your EC2 instance. So suppose I will give this name as EC2 itself. Okay, so you can give any name. So I give EC2. After that, you have to select the OS operating system for which you have hosted your EC2. So these are the different operating system present available here. So for this demo, I will select the Windows because it is available on. It is easy to understand. Or okay. So after that, as this is free tier account, we don't have much options to select, or these are all paid, so you have to pay for this. So as this is free tier, I will just set it up as a default, or I will keep it as default. So 64-bit for Windows, 2022 base. Then this is the instant type. So basically, instant type is nothing but what is the RAM and how many cores will be allotted to you for your machine. So in this, we have given T3 micro and 2 CPU, 1 GB memory. Then after this, this is the key pair login. So when you host an EC2 instance, you have to have a key pair. So if you don't already have a key pair, you can just create new pair by clicking on this, and you can give it name as EC2. So I suggest that you should gain the same name as the EC2 to your key pair. That will be easier for you to understand. Or you can give just any name, but I will suggest that. So I have given this name as EC2. Then I will create one private key file format as .pem file, and I will click on create key pair. So as you can see, my key pair is now downloaded as ec2.pm file. Now the next part is network setting. So as you can see here, this is my network VPC. The subnet is not yet allotted, and this is the security group. So security group is nothing but it is the ranges of IP address which can have access on my EC2. So basically, which IP addresses I have to enter into my EC2 instance. This is it. So anywhere means it is a local network or public network, which means any IP address can access it. And custom means only I can add some fixed IP addresses, and that IP addresses will be allowed, and other IP addresses will be denied. Then this is the third one is the my IP. So my IP will this machine's IP, and other than this IP, no other IP can access my EC2. Only I can access. So this one is very safe. So I only I can access this. So it is very safe. But I don't want that. So I will keep it anywhere. That is anyone can access it. Okay. So the next part is configure storage. Configure storage is means how much you want to give storage to your machine. It is how much GB and how many cores of CPU. So I will just keep it as default. And so yeah, this is it. This is the basic settings. After that, you can see here. Then after this, create on launch instance. So you can see it is setting up my EC2. So yeah, successfully initiated launch of instance. This is my instance ID, EC2 instance ID. So when I will click on it, now you can see after clicking on it, this window will open, and you can see I have created one EC2 instance of name EC2. This is my EC2 instance ID. The state is running. This is the type. Status is initializing. Then this is the availability zone. Uh, then this is IP, and this is the key name, which is EC2, same as the EC2 instance name. And this is the platform. It is for Windows. So you can select any platform, that is Linux, Ubuntu, Mac OS, etc. It's up to you. Then yeah, as you can see, okay, yeah, as you can see, this is the window. So just a sec. So now you have created EC2 instance, and now you want to connect this EC2 instance to your server, to your machine. So you can just click connect here, and this you can just go for RDB client, which is a remote desktop client. Then this here is the remote desktop file which you must download, or you have to download it so you can access the desktop, remote desktop. So I will download this file. So yeah, this is downloaded. Now I will just get the password for it. Now, previously when we created key pair, we downloaded the .pem file. So now we have to upload that file here. So yeah, ec2.pm file open. Now this file is encrypted because when suppose other person gets this file, so he can't decrypt it because it is encrypted. It is for the safety purpose. One file is given to us, which is private key file. Another one is the public key file, which is kept in the AWS itself. So this is encrypted. Now we will decrypt the data, and we will get the password. So I will copy this. Now password is copied, and after this I will launch the desktop, remote desktop. So this will ask me some permissions. So I will say connect. This is connecting. So it will ask the password to connect to that machine or server. So I will just paste it here, which I copied previously, and I will say OK. So it is connecting with that server. Say yes. So it is connecting me to that remote desktop or the server. So as you can see, this is my Windows OS, which I hosted on EC2, which is on the another server, and I am sitting here, and I am working on my Windows machine, and I have hosted EC2, and I am again working on the Windows OS. So you can work on any OS, that is Windows, then Linux, Ubuntu, etc. It's up to you. That is what's your work and how much money you have, or yeah. So this is your window. Now you can do your work here, and you can do your work here, and you can save your work, and when you have to leave you will just click on this close button. And now this will ask you your remote session will be disconnected, program from will continue disconnected. You can reconnect to this remote session later by logging on again. So when you have to again continue your work, you can just log in. I will tell you about how to log in again. So after exiting, you will again come to this window. So again after some time, suppose you have to log in, so you will again open that desktop file, type in the password, and again you will be logged in into that virtual machine. So this is it. This is how you host an EC2 instance. So if you have any doubts, you can just ask me in the comment. Okay, that's from my side. Thank you.